From Sunny, California, this is Gina Randall. This is a really nice backpack. I got this backpack because you can roll it on the ground, and my back just kept on hurting when I had stuff in it. I wanted it so bad because, and not just because it rolls on the ground, because it has 3 zippers. I can hold my workbooks in here and my maybe like some whiteboards in here, and then we could have some like my mask and maybe a tiny notebook in there. And yeah,
Nice.
it has my mask, and it could also hold 2 water bottles, and it can have keychains on it. But also, if I can't roll it on the ground, I could just put it on my backpack, and to make this not like roll on the back, it has a cover for it. This backpack is not just for school. You can take it on the airplane, and so you can hold it with all of your stuff. And you can get this in different colors, but I got this in pink and Paris design because I love Paris and my favorite color is pink, and I love it because it rolls around and I like it. And this could go higher if you want it to. Yeah, I really like this backpack.